Looking for a duffel that airs out your gear? These are the Mesh Gear Duffels by Luno. They come in two sizes, the 50 liter and the 80 liter. Both bags are made out of durable materials like this polymer coated mesh and this oversized zipper. Depending on your adventure, each size is great for different things, like airing out blankets, sleeping bags, puffy jackets, or for your water sports. And it's also great for dirty laundry. One thing that the 50 liter has that the other does not is this extra zipper pocket to store some extra essentials. And the bottom is made out of solid, durable material. For convenience when not in use, the pocket on the side is actually what the whole bag folds into. It's as easy as that. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of our Mesh Gear Duffels. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any more questions, and we'll see you out on the trails.